Did Chrome just announce that they're going to kill uBlock Origin in June 2024? Well, you may have seen this post going around both Twitter, Reddit, everywhere, that Google confirms they will disable uBlock Origin in Chrome 2024. Now, this headline is a bit sensationalist because it's not just that Google Chrome is going to kill uBlock Origin, they are moving to a manifest version 3 for Chrome extensions. Now, the manifest for Chrome extensions basically defines what the extension is, what the files are, and what the files can do. And manifest v3 offers more privacy for users, which is a good thing. However, many of these new APIs actually will be preventing uBlock Origin from working the way it does. And because of that, uBlock Origin has an open GitHub issue for all of the things that they'll be unable to do with this new manifest. Now, if you read through this issue, you will see some interesting things, such as they have a version of uBlock Origin Lite working with the manifest v3, as well as AdGuard AdBlocker MV3 Experimental was announced sometime last year, and it works with MV3. So, is Google specifically setting out to kill your ad blocker? Not necessarily. However, does this put uBlock Origin's future in danger? It certainly does, because if uBlock Origin is unable to be up to date with the latest manifest changes by June of 2024, it could very well be removed from Chrome entirely after first being demoted. Now, I did see some Google folks in this issue talking to uBlock Origin about things that are not present in this new manifest or the new way that extensions work. So it is entirely possible that uBlock Origin manages to get themselves to a version 3 of this manifest. However, that timeline is looking pretty tight right now. And if you read through this issue, there's a number of issues. So what do you think? If Google kills uBlock Origin by moving to this latest version of manifest with increased privacy, does that in fact make you want to drop Chrome? How does this make you feel knowing that Google is moving to a better privacy model at the expense of perhaps some older plugins not supporting new APIs? Does this make you feel more secure in having Google's choices have better privacy? Or do you think this is a backhanded play to get rid of ad removal? Either way, I think this is a more nuanced topic than some people are giving it credit. Check out this github.com uBlock Origin issue number 338 if you'd like to learn more of the details.